is Bree. Today, I'm going to show you how to sign some things. For example, the sign for animal is this, animal. Ready? Alright. So number 1 is a sign for cat. Number 2 is the sign for dog. See? Like that right next to me. Number 3 is going to be the sign for bear. Number 4 is the sign for snake. Number 5 is the sign for octopus. Number 6 is the sign for bunny. There's bunny, or there's bunny, or there's bunny. There's 3 different signs for bunny. And the last one is the sign for turtle. There it is. Alright, yay! So if you just keep practicing, alright? Love you guys. Bye.